What do you want to do for today's vlog? We're going to draw a monster's truck. And then, like, what is that? Big tire. Wow, super big tire. And then, what is that? Up and down na siya. And then, she's got very good.
It's the body.
It's the body. And then,
The big eyes.
big eyes. Powder. And then big eyes.
And that's the mouth.
And that's the mouth. Oh!
That is
This is your
it.
monster's truck. Just wait.
In color, please.
Color. Wait.